My name is Ankita Bhanushali. I'm residing at Mumbai, and I've been a student at INSET since March 2020 as I joined the JCD program. Currently, I'm working at Firstsource as a senior executive analytics. It's a hybrid role of the data science and the data analysis. The challenges that has been faced during my transition were the data science experience related. I was a data analyst, but the companies wanted someone who has a hands-on experience in a data science project and also do masters in the coding. So that was the most challenging part. I'm on training period, but data science projects and that assignments and the theory part and it assignment practice, it's helped me a lot. The first step was the resume screening followed by an interview call. In the interview call, there were 2 technical rounds in which I was asked question on the domain knowledge as well as the data science tools, machine learning algorithm. And on 4th round, I was assigned one task in which I have to do on the Python. And followed by another round where I have to explain how did I did that task in which algorithm I used and the why I used that algorithm. And I was selected after final HR round. I joined INSET because I wanted to move to data science. Being a non-programmer, Python was tough. At INSET, I've learned to use the most important Python libraries for data science tasks, covering areas such as the data processing, modeling, and the visualizations on the NumPy, Pandas, Scikit, Matplotlib, and also the data science career launchpad and the career Wednesday sessions are highly informative. They help us to enhance our skills and the further towards the building a resume and the preparing and cracking the right roles, and also the polishing our the LinkedIn and GitHub profiles. I would say simply focus on the practical applications and not just theory. This will help you not only to understand the concept but also to give you a deeper sense of the how they will be applied in the real life scenarios. Follow data science blogs and at least have one mentor who can guide you in the right direction towards your journey in the data science. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.